Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making the dent accessible and protecting the finish. Unplug the refrigerator, clear the immediate area, and remove any obstructing handles or magnets. Once done, inspect the dent to pick a method. Small, shallow dents respond to a plunger or suction puller, while larger ones may need heat and targeted pressure. Make sure to wrap tools with microfiber or painter's tape to prevent scratches. Work at room temperature so the metal behaves predictably, and you can get immediate feedback as you begin. Next, perform the chosen repair. If you use a suction tool, moisten the rim, center it, and pull with steady, controlled force. Repeat and reseat until the metal pops back. For the heating approach, warm the dent for 1 to 2 minutes with a hairdryer to soften the metal, then spray compressed air inverted to rapidly cool and contract the sheet. If the dent resists, carefully remove the interior panel and apply gentle outward pressure from behind, making small adjustments rather than one big shove to avoid crease. To finish, smooth any shallow highs with a soft plastic scraper and a stainless steel polish, rubbing with the grain to restore a consistent sheen. If a small crease persists, repeat short, focused heat and cool cycles or tap around the edge with a thin knockdown hammer and leather pad to blend the metal. Do it lightly and check often. If you see finish damage, flakes, or exposed bare metal, stop and consult a professional. Continuing risks corrosion and could void warranties, so consider repair service at that point.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.